In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize shaky footage in Adobe Premiere Pro with Warp Stabilizer. If you've ever shot a great moment only to find it looks a bit wobbly, this is the fix. We'll keep it simple and effective using Premiere Pro's built-in Warp Stabilizer. By the end, your footage should look noticeably smoother and more professional without changing your edit. Start by selecting the shaky clip directly in your timeline. This tells Premiere exactly which piece of footage you want to work on. Make sure the playhead is somewhere over that clip so you can quickly preview the results later. If you have multiple clips, choose one at a time so each gets the attention it needs. Next, head to the Effects panel and use the search bar to find Warp Stabilizer. Typing a few letters like Warp will bring it right up. This is the effect designed specifically to analyze camera movement and reduce those unwanted jitters while doing its best to keep the action framed nicely. Apply the effect by dragging Warp Stabilizer onto the selected clip or simply double-click the effect while the clip is highlighted. Either method works the same. As soon as it's applied, you'll notice Premiere begins working in the background. Now, wait for the analysis to complete. You'll see a progress indicator as Premiere scans the clip and figures out how the camera moved. The time this takes depends on your clip's length and resolution, but you can continue working elsewhere in your project while it runs. When it finishes, Premiere will automatically apply stabilization and you'll be able to preview the initial results right away. If you want to refine the look, open the Effect Controls panel while the clip is still selected. Here you can adjust smoothness, which controls how strong the stabilization is. A lower value gives a subtle natural correction. A higher value pushes the shot to feel more locked off, but may introduce more cropping. Start modestly, then nudge it up until it feels right for your footage. You can also experiment with the method setting. Options like position or position, scale, rotation tell Premiere how many kinds of motion it's allowed to correct. Simpler methods can look more natural on gentle handheld shots, while allowing scale and rotation can help with more complex movement. Play back your clip after each tweak and judge it by how it feels. If faces or straight lines bend oddly, try a simpler method or lower smoothness. When it looks good, you're done. Export ready and far steadier than before. That's all there is to it. Select, apply, let it analyze, and fine-tune for the best result.